Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech and Tips with King. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and run Sony Vegas PC software in your Android with using Winlator application. So without any wasting of time, let's get into the video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and run Vegas PC software in your Android with using Winlator application. Yes, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can run any PC software with using Winlator. In this video, I'm going to use Winlator PC application. As you many people know, Winlator is also emulator like the exagear, but this is the upgraded version. This application have many versions. I not only use exagear, but I also use Winlator to use any PC software in Android. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Sony Vegas PC software in Android with using Winlator application. For this video, I'm going to use Winlator application, but you can also install it in exagear. But to make this video, I'm using Winlator application to show you that Winlator application is also work. So to run Vegas software in your Android, you have to download the Winlator application. I'm downloading in the description, and I've made a detailed separate tutorial video on my YouTube channel to how to install Winlator application. And second thing, you have to download the Vegas file, the download in the description, and I have provided the Telegram link on my YouTube description link. So from there you can get to the Telegram link, and from there you will get the direct download link of the Vegas. So as you can see in the screen, this is the Vegas exe file. I have provided the download link. Download from there, and you have to keep it in the download folder of your Android internal storage, because most of the emulators which going to run PC software will going to access the download folder only. After downloading both the files and installing the Winlator application, you have to open the Winlator application, and as you know how to use it, you have to just click on the play button. After clicking the play button, it will saying starting up. So it means the desktop of the Winlator application is going to be start up, and it will loading the desktop. And as you can see in the screen, this is the desktop of the Winlator application. So let me just set up the camera and come back again. So now as you can see in the screen, this is the Winlator application, and it's having mouse cursor over here, and there are a lot of features in this Winlator application, as you can see in the screen. So let me just show you how you can install a Vegas software in your Android. You have to open the D drive in the file manager on the Winlator application. Now you have to search for the software which you have downloaded. So as you can see in the screen, I'm searching for the Vegas. So here, as you can see in the screen, this is the software Vegas 4.0.exe. I have click on the screen with the two fingers, and we'll get the more options. Let me just click to open. After clicking open, the installation process of the Sony Vegas software has been appear here. So this is the installation setup file. Let me just click on the next. It will saying where it will going to install. C drive, obviously. Let me just click on next, and it will ask me to extract the files. As you can see in the screen, the Vegas software has been extracting all the files. The installation process is only for once. You don't need to require install and again. After installing, you can access the software at any time, at anywhere, by opening. And as you can see in the screen, the installation process is going on here. Let me just click on the next, click on the I have read the agreement. So I'm not promoting any free version of the Sony Vegas PC software. Just I am showing how you can install it in your Android phone with using Winlator application. Let me just click on the next. Just make sure to check on the install shortcut on the desktop, so next time you can directly open from the desktop. Just click to install. And as you can see in the screen, the Sony Vegas PC software installing over here. So you have to wait. And let me just fast forward the video until the Sony Vegas software install in my Android phone with using Winlator application. Finally, as you can see in the screen, the Sony Vegas software has been successfully installed. Let me just click on the finish. Now I am going to click on the start button, click on the programs, and as you can see in this is the Sonic Foundry Utilities Vegas Vegas 4.0. Just now open the Vegas PC software. Now let's see. It will asking you to enter the serial number, but I am clicking on I would like to run Sony Vegas demo. So this is the original PC software. I is not using the free version or crack version. So this is the original version, and I'm going to use it as a demo version. So let me just click on the finish. If you're having a serial number, you can insert it. Let me just click on the finish. And as you can see in the screen, the Sony Vegas 4.0 downloading opening up here in the Winlator application, and this is the demo version opening up here. So finally, as you can see in the screen, the Sony Vegas PC software has successfully installed in my Android with using Winlator application. And as you can see in the screen, this is the software. In this video, I'm just not show you how you can install it. I'm not going to show you how you can use it. If you want me make a video on how you can use it, I will make a separate video while using Sony Vegas PC software in Android. So as you can see in the screen, this is the only installation purpose video. And this Sony Vegas is PC video editing software. You can edit a lot of videos in it, and the software is perfectly working. You can use it and test it whether it's working or not. What I have seen is software is perfectly working, and if you want to run, you can use it. And as you can see, this is all the files. If you want to edit any file, or if you want to open in file, make sure to download in download folder of an internal storage to access it. Over here you can see this software is accessing D drive, so you can insert any file over here. You can edit videos, photos, you can compose audio, you can do a lot of things in this Sony Vegas PC software. So as you can see in the screen, this is the Sony Vegas software perfectly working and running in Android with using Winlator application. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If you have any question or problem, let me know in the comments. Thank you.